Never name a group chat with your friends something weird, because one time my friends were sending a bunch of messages in our group chat, but I was taking a nap, so I didn't hear any of the notifications, but my mom did. So after hearing the notification sound go off like 20 times, she decided to look at my phone to see why it was making so much noise. And after she did, she woke me up and she was like, Tyler, why do you keep getting a bunch of notifications from Jeffrey Dahmer's refrigerator? And I was like, they're my friends, Mom, but she doesn't really know much about Jeffrey Dahmer. So when I explained to her that he used to put some weird things in his fridge, my mom was like, why would you name your group chat after that? And how am I supposed to explain to someone over the age of 35 why young people give group chats weird names like this? So I was just like, honestly, Mom, I don't know.